In the last 15 years, hundreds of thousands of people under the banner of the main opposition political party, the Bangladesh Nationalist Party BNP, made many attempts to topple Sheikh Hasina. But with an iron hand, the Hasina administration controlled all anti-government movements and established an autocratic regime. But Hasina was eventually brought down by a non-political student movement that's been around for less than a month. The students are now calling on the new transitional leader Muhammad Yunus to call elections.
We want to live in peace and freedom, and we want to speak freely. We want to cast our votes freely and enjoy these rights.
The students themselves are helping to keep the country running after the rapid downfall of the Hasina administration. After the fall of Sheikh Hasina, there is no traffic police on the city streets. Now I see huge number of students are performing as traffic police to ensure safe and secured life of the city dwellers. The students say that it is their moral duty to stand by the people at this crucial moment following a successful revolution.
We have achieved independence through a huge struggle. It is more difficult to protect it. That's why we have to do more work together and come forward in any need of the people.
We feel proud of our children that they could do a revolutionary movement and prove that we are a nation of heroes.
Meanwhile, politicians are calling on people to stay calm and not to try to settle scores or take justice into their own hands.
We call our people of the country to come forward to maintain peace and tranquility, law and order in due courses, and prevent any violence or vandalism.
Analysts say the priority for any future government is to ensure transparency and justice, or risk facing the students' rate once more. Muhammad Kamruzzaman, TRT World, Dhaka, Bangladesh.